Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch Stadium, an exciting custom game mode. To start, simply go to the Play menu and select Custom Game. From there, you'll want to create a new game and immediately dive into the settings to configure everything perfectly. It's a straightforward process that gets you into the action quickly, allowing for a fun and unique Overwatch experience with your friends. Next, let's configure the game mode. Head to Game Mode and select Control as your base. For maps, it's best to enable only Busan or Oasis to ensure the stadium experience works correctly. You'll also want to adjust the hero roster to allow all heroes, giving everyone the freedom to pick their favorites and experiment with different team compositions for maximum fun. Now, let's talk about the gameplay itself. The main objective in Overwatch Stadium is to push the payload into your opponent's goal, much like a futuristic sports match. Each successful delivery earns your team points. You'll need to work together, using your hero's unique abilities and even environmental hazards to gain an advantage over the opposing team. It's a fast-paced and strategic battle for control. To truly excel in Overwatch Stadium, consider choosing heroes with strong crowd control or high mobility to help push that payload. Constant communication with your team is absolutely crucial for coordinating attacks and defending your goal. Don't be afraid to experiment with different hero combinations. Finding what works best for your team will significantly boost your chances of victory. Have fun out there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.